Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the environment reliable. Confirm kit version 2, X and a compatible runtime. Once confirmed, install with npm or yarn and initialize your project. Next, import the core module into your main file and instantiate the primary widget manager. Make sure to pass your API key and basic config object. This enables feature flags and logging. Finally, run the dev server to load the scaffolded widgets so you can see immediate feedback and iterate quickly. Once the manager is running, configure each widget with a clear schema and data mapping so state flows predictably. You should register event handlers for on-click and on-change and use asynchronous handlers for API calls to avoid UI blocking. Then integrate the kit with your backend. Choose REST for simple calls or WebSocket for live updates and include token-based auth. Make sure to normalize incoming data to your schema, test each interaction, and iterate until the widget behaviors are stable. You finish by running integration tests and verifying responsiveness across viewports. Pay attention to load order and performance. Once done, optimize by lazy loading non-critical widgets, memoizing render outputs, and trimming payloads. Deploy to a staging environment and validate auth flows and error boundaries. If something breaks, start with logs and the browser network tab to confirm requests, then rehydrate state on reload and retry failing actions. This single tip, inspect logs first, saves time when tracking down subtle sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.